Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an automated email workflow in HubSpot using the 2025 interface. If you want to automatically send emails based on user actions like form submissions, this is how to do it. Let's get started. From your HubSpot dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Automation, then select Workflows. Click the orange Create Workflow button in the top right. Now choose Contact-Based, and then select Start from Scratch. Hit Next to continue. First, set your enrollment trigger. For example, you can choose Form Submission, then select the form you want to track. Click Apply Filter, then hit Done. Now it's time to build the flow. Click the plus icon to add an action. Choose Send Email, and then select one of your marketing emails from the list. If you haven't created one yet, go to Marketing Greater Than Email, create your message, and come back here to select it. You can keep adding more steps on it, like delay to wait a few days, if-then branch to create logic, or even assign internal tasks. Once your workflow is ready, click Review and Publish in the top right corner. Confirm the settings, then hit Turn On, and your workflow is now live. From now on, whenever someone meets your trigger conditions, they'll automatically move through the email sequence you set up. And that's how you create automated email workflows in HubSpot using the 2025 version. Hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.